In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix no devices or entities found on Amazon Alexa app. Let's get started. First, check whether you are connected to any VPN or proxy. For that, launch settings. Go to General, go to VPN and Device Management. If you are connected to any VPN or proxy, disable it. Next up, check for app update. So launch App Store or Play Store, search for Amazon Alexa. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, clear app cache. For that, launch settings. Go to General, go to iPhone storage, find Amazon Alexa and then launch it. Click on Offload app, confirm it, click on Reinstall app. Next up, try to access Amazon Alexa using the web version. For that, navigate to this website, alexa.amazon.com. Finally, if none of these methods work, the issue may be caused by a temporary Amazon server problem. Wait a few minutes and try pairing your device again later. That's how you can easily fix no devices or entities found error on the Amazon Alexa app. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.